In this video, we are going to see that if we want to extract the month-wise sales or month and year-wise sales using the pivot table, how we can easily do that. So here is our data and we have this on different dates, the sales record, sales amount and cost of goods sold. We have to insert a pivot table. So the short key is alternate N, V, T and enter on a new worksheet. So here's a new sheet inserted. In the original data, we can see that we only have dates. We don't need to insert a new column and extract months using a month formula or text formula. We don't need to do any of that stuff. We simply drag the dates on the rows and the sales amount on the values. As soon as I drag the dates into the rows, you will notice that it will analyze the complete data and it will break it in 2 years because this is 2 years of data, and it will break it quarter wise as well. Whatever you don't want, you can just skip all of that. So if we, let's say, want just the dates of data, we can simply place that. But by default, it automatically do this on the latest versions. If you have an older version of Office, it might only show you this dates field. But let's say even we have the date field, we can just place the sales amount in the values and it will make the total daily, day-wise total. But let's say that we want to club it into months. Let me just zoom it. Right click on the dates, click on group, and here we can decide how we want to club it. Let's say we want to club it in months, but for that we need to make sure that we don't select 2024 up to 2026 because that will combine months of both years together. So let's say we want the analysis up till 31st of December 2024. If we set the ending date like this, we can extract the month-wise report for 2024. Otherwise, if the ending date is in multiple years, then we have to club it in months and in years. In months and in years, we will select both of them, click OK, and it will divide the sales in both years, and within that years, we have the month-wise sale. So that's pretty awesome. And whenever we want to, let's say, expand or collapse this, it's also very simple. We have the pivot table analyze option. We can just select this plus sign, go to the pivot table analyze option, where this is a specific menu. We can collapse all and expand all. Right now it's already expanded. Let's click on collapse, and both of the fields, even if we have multiple fields, it will be automatically collapsed. Let's ungroup this and let's move to something else. Just clear all of this. Whenever you want to clear something, you just drag and drop to the white sheet and all of this is cleared. Let's say we want the beverage wise sales total. So this is a simple beverage wise sales total. Let's say that we want to divide it into different regions. This is the region wise beverage report. Let's say we want to divide it into salespersons like this. So each product is sold by these salespersons. A very detailed analysis, but if you want to collapse it just to the product wise sales, as we can see, we have multiple products, but it's easier to collapse. Go to the pivot table options and just click on the collapse fields and we have the summary right here. We can expand it like this as well. But let's say that we want to interchange the position. Let's say we want Ali as a major category and all of the sales that Ali made for different products in different regions, that should be the report. So the first preference is beverage item, and according to the beverage item, salesperson is shown. We will change this and place it to the top. Now for Ali, all of these products in different regions sales analysis are shown. Now let's say that whenever we want to see the total, we can see that Ali made 7 sales in Bahia town and the total is 746,820. But how this total is made up, let's see. Just double click and it will show you the separate report which is filtered and place it on a separate sheet. So you can check all of these details and you can reconcile with the original data just by applying the filters as well. So this is how the multiple criteria analysis is made in pivot table. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.